Imagine a world where your teacher is a robot. No more substitute teachers. No more grading on a curve, just perfectly programmed, infinitely patient androids guiding the next generation. It sounds like science fiction, right? But what would actually happen if robots replaced human teachers in our schools? Let's dive into that. First, let's talk about the positives. An AI teacher could offer truly personalized learning. It could instantly identify where a student is struggling and provide customized exercises. Or it could challenge a gifted student with advanced material, all at the same time. Every student gets a one-on-one tutor, 24/7. Homework would be graded instantly with detailed feedback, and these robot teachers would have access to the entire wealth of human knowledge, updated in real time. No more outdated textbooks. They would be unbiased, consistent, and never have a bad day. The potential for academic achievement could be enormous. Students could learn at their own pace, mastering subjects in a way that's currently impossible in a classroom of 30 kids. But then, there's the other side of the story. What makes a great teacher isn't just their knowledge of math or history. It's their ability to inspire, to mentor, and to connect with students on a human level. Can a robot teach empathy? Can it spot the subtle signs of a student struggling with anxiety or a tough home life? A human teacher offers a comforting word, a high five for a job well done, or that look that says, "I believe in you." These are the moments that shape us, that build our confidence and our character. School is where we learn social skills, how to collaborate, how to navigate disagreements, and how to build friendships. Would a classroom run by a machine foster that same sense of community and emotional growth? The role of the teacher would have to fundamentally change. Perhaps human educators would become more like social and emotional coaches. Their job would shift from delivering information to nurturing the skills that robots can't teach: creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. They would manage the classroom environment, facilitate group projects, and provide the crucial human support that students need to thrive not just academically, but as well-rounded individuals. They'd be the heart of the school, while the robots would be the brains. So, could robots replace teachers? In terms of pure information delivery, absolutely. They could be incredibly effective tools. But replace the entire role of a teacher? That's far less likely. The human connection, the mentorship, the ability to inspire a lifelong love of learning, that's a spark that can't be programmed. The future of education probably isn't about replacing humans with machines, but about creating a powerful partnership between them. It's a fascinating future to consider, isn't it? What do you think? Would you want a robot for a teacher? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tomorrow.